Medicinal plants Native Americans used daily. They were healthy before Columbus. Now modern tribes like the Pima, Tohono, and others suffer from diabetes, hypertension, and obesity. Whereas their more traditional cousins don't. Discover the 10 medicinal plants Native Americans used daily. Have you seen this healing moss in your yard? This everyday garden moss could be the secret to a very long life. Like Pasteur's accidental discovery of penicillin, that has so far saved 200 million plus lives. And may be the reason those near it avoid chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, hypertension and more. Similar to morphine, the best natural painkiller that grows in your backyard. Wild lettuce is also known as opium lettuce. For a good reason. While it doesn't contain any opiates, it has similar side effects when used. It acts directly on the central nervous system to lessen the feeling of pain, just like morphine. Click the link in the description to find out more about this plant.